Okay, hi, and today we're having a look at an absolute classic bit of Prince for you. It's a stripped down acoustic version of the wonderful When Doves Cry. This one really is pretty straightforward. Most of it is. Shouldn't give you any problems. We've just got an A minor you're going to need. We've got a G that you'll need. It's got an E minor and it's got an F as well. But the difficult bit, that lovely little instrumental link after the chorus, the old dum da 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 dum da da da, that's a little bit harder. And for that bit, we're going to need an F, which we've already done. There it is again. We need an F major 7, and we're going to need a G, but not the G that we just looked at. We're going to need a G, which is the F shape, but you move it to the 3rd fret like that. Okay, and we're going to start on this bit, get the difficult bit out of the way first. But all you need to do is go F, F major 7 twice, and then G. Okay, F major 7 twice, then G. Dum da da da, dum da da da, dum da da da, dum da da da. Okay, let's just press a tiny bit more. So we've got dum da da da, dum da da da, dum da da da, dum da da da. Okay, so and I would recommend, if that's a little bit tricky for you, just try freezing the video and slowing it down and practicing that. But assuming you're good to go, let's now have a look at the nice easy bit with the A minor. The chords will come up for you on the screen, and like I always do, I'm going to hum the tune, so excuse the singing. And we're going to use a very basic kind of a down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, for a strumming pattern. Okay, so here we go, and 1, 2, 3, and da 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 G, E minor, do do do, F to the G to the A minor, do do, E minor, do do do. And maybe I'm just too mad, but maybe I'm just like my father too, or maybe I'm just my mother. But this is what it sounds like when the link dum da da da, dum da da da, dum da da da, dum da da da. And how could you just leave me standing alone in the world that's so cold? Da 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 da. Maybe I'm just like my mother, but she's never satisfied. Well, this is what it sounds like when the link dum da da da, dum da da da, dum da da da, dum da da da. Back to A minor, and E minor to F to the G to the A minor, and E minor to F to the G. Okay, a nice, simple, straight down acoustic version. I know as Prince, the master, he goes a little bit crazy on the guitar and stuff, but that's pretty much it as a straightforward acoustic guitar version. Give it a good practice, get your vocals sorted out, and it'll be fantastic. So all the best. Thanks again for watching. Please like and subscribe if you enjoy, and look forward to seeing you soon for more classic tunes with Ben Golding Guitar. Thank you.